awardee. Ariel Ivy S. Canlas with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Terence Chico Castro with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Beatrice R.E.P. Mulyari with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Keziah Z. Marcelo with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Haniel Eden M. Payumo with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Saisi Minch R. Reyes with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Kyrie M. Rodriguez with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Donato Colonzo D. Santiago with High Honors Conduct Awardee. Married Adriana D. Germano with a High Honors Conduct Awardee. Emmanuel Chris P. Alib with Honors Conduct Awardee. Aiden Kevin D. Avellano with Honors Conduct Awardee. Carl Sebastian A. Balagot with Honors Conduct Awardee. Gabriel P. Cavicting with Honors Conduct Awardee. Erica Sofia E. Calianta with Honors Conduct Awardee. Seska Therese M. Soliona with Honors Conduct Awardee. Lauren Elise P. Cristobal with Honors Conduct Awardee. Carl R. Garcia with Honors Conduct Awardee. Maxine Lavelle T. Gonzalez with Honors Conduct Awardee. Joaquin G. Lutu with Honors Conduct Awardee. Princess Bless P. Maguyok with Honors Conduct Awardee. Valerie Rain D. Maniala with Honors Conduct Awardee. Veneer Walker G. Mendoza with Honors Conduct Awardee. Rain Andy Muyot with Honors Conduct Awardee. AZA Pamintuan with Honors Conduct Awardee.
Markel Enrique G. Pamintuan, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Ray Jimbo T. Pineda, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Amian Elise S. Rivera, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Leandra Cali B. Rodriguez, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Gino Carlo G. Sarmiento, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Gino Carlo G. Sarmiento, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Mireya Han B. M. Soliman, with Honors Conduct Awardee. Now let us move on from the section Masipag, together with their advisor, Mrs. Myrabel F. Yumo. John Sebastian